So this is my OnePlus phone, and it was stuck on Android 14, but now look at this. It's running Android 16 with Evolution X ROM. Keep watching this video till the end because I'm going to show you exactly how you can install any custom ROM on any OnePlus phone. The ROM I installed on this phone is the official Evolution X ROM, and it has all the amazing features that custom ROMs are known for. You can change themes, adjust the transparency of your phone's interface, and customize your lock screen with all the modern features and widgets that come with Android 16. One of the best features of this ROM is that you can actually use banking apps on it. It comes with built-in settings that make running banking apps possible without any issues. Yes, since it's an Android 16 ROM, you can also use the iconic Circle to Search feature from Android 16. You can now select images from Circle to Search and generate new images, all thanks to Nano Banana and Gemini integration. I even ran a benchmark test, and surprisingly, it's performing better than the official OnePlus OxygenOS UI. I even played some demanding games on it, and there was absolutely no lag at all. So based on my testing, after installing this custom ROM on this old device, it became powerful and modern enough to be used as a daily driver. So that's a quick walkthrough of this ROM. Now let's see how you can install it on your OnePlus phone. In this example video, I'm using a OnePlus 9R, but after watching this video, you'll be able to install a custom ROM on any OnePlus phone using the same method. Currently, my phone is running Android 14, so let's connect it to the PC and start the installation process. To install any custom ROM, we need to complete two important steps. First is unlocking the bootloader, and second is installing a custom recovery. I've created a complete detailed video on unlocking the bootloader on OnePlus phones and also installing TWRP. Please watch that video first to unlock your bootloader properly. After unlocking the bootloader, our next task is to find the right ROM for our phone. First, you need to search for LineageOS on your browser and navigate to the Devices section. LineageOS is one of the best and most stable custom ROMs to begin with. You need to open the OnePlus page there. Now these are the devices that officially support LineageOS ROM. You can download your ROM from here if your phone is supported. And if your phone isn't listed here, don't worry. We have many other sources to find custom ROMs. Next, search for Evolution X ROM on your browser and open the official Evolution X ROM website. Again, open the OnePlus section and look for your device. If your device is listed here, go ahead and download the custom ROM. Next, if both LineageOS and Evolution X aren't available for your phone, don't worry at all. Search for your device on XDA, like I'm doing here for my OnePlus 9R. Open your device's forum on XDA and apply the development filter. You'll find many custom ROMs for your device here. Before choosing any ROM, make sure to check the reviews carefully. Always choose a ROM with positive reviews and active developer support. You can also find complete installation instructions bundled with the ROM package. Nowadays, a lot of developers are also sharing their work on Telegram channels. You can check there as well and download your custom ROM for your phone. So I've downloaded the Evolution X custom ROM for my device. Now let's see how to install it. You'll always find installation instructions for the ROM that you're downloading. For Evolution X, we need to install DTBO and VBMeta files to get this ROM working. Now just connect your device to the PC using a USB cable. In this tutorial, I'm using macOS, so I opened my terminal. If you're using Windows, you should use Command Prompt from the Platform Tools folder. Again, as a reminder, please watch my previous video to learn how to set up platform tools and other necessary components. After connecting your device to the PC, first check the connection by typing ADB devices. If it shows a serial number, it means your device is connected. Boot your device into Fastboot mode using the ADB Reboot Bootloader command. Once you're in Fastboot mode, flash the DTBO and VBMeta files using these commands. Type fastboot /DTBO and then drag and drop your DTBO file into the terminal. Once that's done, flash the VBMeta partition using the same method, fastboot /VBMeta, and drag and drop the VBMeta file. Once that's complete, flash the recovery using fastboot flash recovery and then drag and drop the recovery image file. Once that's done, use the volume buttons in your Fastboot menu and reboot your device into recovery mode. Once you're inside the recovery mode, perform a factory reset before flashing the custom ROM. This step is important to avoid any conflicts. Once the factory reset is done, enable ADB Sideload in the recovery menu. After enabling it, execute this command on your PC. ADB Sideload, and then drag and drop the ROM zip file to start the flashing process. While our phone is flashing the ROM, I have something important to tell you. This was an example of installing Evolution X ROM. Many other ROMs can be installed without flashing VBMeta and DTBO files separately, so make sure to check the specific instructions before downloading any ROM. Also, always keep a backup of your data, IMEI, and persist partitions before proceeding. Once the flashing process is completed, your device may ask you to reboot once again into recovery to flash additional packages like Magisk. Press No for now, and your device will boot into the custom ROM for the first time. So as you can see, our device has successfully booted into the custom ROM, and everything is working perfectly. So that's how you can breathe new life into your old OnePlus phone with a custom ROM. The process might seem complicated at first, but once you do it, you'll realize it's actually quite straightforward. Just make sure to follow each step carefully, take your time, and always keep backups of your important data. Custom ROMs can truly transform your phone's performance and give you features that you wouldn't get otherwise. If you found this video helpful, please consider hitting that like button and subscribing to the channel for more tech tutorials like this. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to drop a comment below, and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.